Okay, so we're going to read some information about snakes and then label parts of a snake. Okay, so snakes. This is a snake. A snake is a reptile. A reptile is an animal that is cold-blooded. There are over 2,700 species of snakes on Earth. Snakes come in all different colors and sizes. Snakes have scales on their entire body. These scales are hard and tough. When you touch a snake, they are dry and smooth. Snakes have a forked tongue. It flicks the tongue in and out. It uses its tongue to help with smelling. Some snakes live on the ground. Some snakes can live in trees. The snake uses its muscles to pull itself up a tree. Snakes are meat eaters. Small snakes eat lizards, bugs, and animal eggs. Big snakes eat even bigger animals such as pigs and goats. They can use their fangs to poison the animal, and then they swallow the animal whole. Some snakes lay eggs. The mother snake lays her eggs in a warm place and then she leaves the eggs. Soon the baby snake will slither out of the egg. Other snakes give birth to live babies. Some snakes can blend into their environment if they are afraid of dangers. Snakes are eaten by raccoons and foxes. They are also eaten by certain types of birds. Snakes shed their skin. When a snake's skin gets too tight, it will shed its skin by rubbing up against something rough. The snake will then slide out of the skin. Underneath the old skin, it has new skin. Some snakes are poisonous and can hurt humans. This is a rattlesnake. A rattlesnake is poisonous. If you see a snake, do not touch it. Tell an adult. All right. Okay, so everyone should have this paper. It's called Snake Labeling. And we are going to write our name at the top. And when you're done with this, you can take, if you have colored pencils, you could color in these snakes really cool. Crayons would work too, but they're smaller. So if you have coloring pencils, it might be easier. All right, so the parts we're gonna label are tongue, head, tail, eye, and scales. So what do we think this is? It's coming out and it's forked. It's the tongue. So we're gonna write tongue right here. Tongue. Remember, the tongue also helps them smell. And so there's his eye and his tongue. So would this be his tail or his head? His head, right? So let's write head right there to show the head. Now here, the things on the body that are soft and smooth, they're the scales. So we'll write scales up top here. So far we have tongue, which is forked, the head, the scales, and on the end of the snake, that's his tail. Tail. And then what the snake sees out of? His eye. His eye. All right, boys and girls. I have a fun fly guy book on snakes tomorrow that we're going to read for our morning meeting. Have a good rest of the day. Bye-bye.